Hello, my name is Thomas Moulton.
And I'm Brad King, and this is our Industrial Machine Vision project demonstration.
Okay, so the screen on the left is the actual video we're taking. The screen on the right is the strings we are detecting according to this color grid, and the console on the bottom is the names of the strings that we're detecting according to the fret combinations.
Yeah, so I guess intuitively you can kind of see what's going on here. You can see the console there. You can see E1, E2, E3, E4, and that matches up with the raw video. And you can see that corresponds with the color grid there over on the screen on the right.
So how it works is that when a finger hovers over a string, that string is detected. Doesn't necessarily mean that the guitarist is pressing on that string. So also we tried other guitar angles other than this, but we couldn't pick up the strings properly.
So what this can do, I guess, is enable you to speed up the tabbing process, as opposed to like the, I guess, traditional method of writing it out or punching it into a computer. What you can do is you can just literally just play it, and I guess this information combined with picking information would give you all the information you need to complete a tab.
So if we can detect the plucking of the guitar, then we can eliminate all the excess detections that don't involve the string actually being touched and merely the strings hovering over the fingers hovering over the strings.
Yeah, but I guess sometimes though it could be hard to distinguish between like a hover and a bar, in which case you actually are pressing down all 6 of the strings at once. So it's I guess it's important that we keep that information rather than destroy it. So that's why you're seeing all these this big list of detections down there.
So with the as you can see on the video on the right, it's not binary. We can actually detect which part of the fret is actually being pressed down upon. I should also mention that there's also a pixel threshold where if only a tiny piece of a string is actually being touched or hovered over, it doesn't count as a detection. This is to prevent even more excess detections than we already have.
Yeah, and I guess so anyone I guess who plays guitar will be kind of familiar with this chord shape here. I guess you can kind of pause the video and just check and see that like all the chord detection, all the note detections there are accurate. And I guess this has been our demo.
Yeah.
Hope you've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching.